Cheiro que ayer una vieja, una chavala, when you dropped me off, she was talking on the phone, she's like, sí, es que se echaron todos aquí a venir al Financial Aid.
¡Uy! Ya te pegó este güey. Porque él tuvo la culpa. Él tuvo la culpa.
Pull over.
No, no se va a bajar.
Move your hand, tell him to pull over.
Pull over, sir.
Sorry, you guys okay?
Yeah, but can you pull over so we can check the damages and
Yes.
stuff like that?
Ustedes ni cuenta se dieron luego. Yo sí lo
¿Cómo que
luego.
no? Luego. Keep it on, because it's recording.
Well, the
I can't afford a new one.
My hot tip, go to Metro. The iPhone 13 is on them.
Wait, Metro's got it covered?
Yeah, and iPhone 13 has a dual camera system. So bye-bye bad pics.
Ooh, my profile pics are about to be on point.
Get iPhone 13 on us when you join. Only at Metro by T-Mobile.
Cameras. Like digital cameras to make amateur photos.
Video is now off.
After the countdown is completed. Cannot connect to the emergency services. Honda Link Assist was
Jesus Christ.
things I should definitely do while I'm here?
Well, it depends. Like, if you like art, Art Museum is great. Me and my wife and son are going on Sunday again.
Okay.
God. Hell.
Okay, alright.
Excuse me.
Hey, there was a fire engine.